You've made it to part 4 of the workshop dashboard guided tour. We're going to lighten things up a little and give you a quick tour of the next section of our dashboard, which is just a quick linking to your projects. The next blocks are a quick access to projects that you've been recently working on. On the left, you have a few quick links to projects that you've created from your calculators, and on the right, you have library projects that you've already bookmarked. If you're new to logging into your dashboard, these 6 boxes will look pretty empty at first, and it may look like you need to do something. You don't. These will automatically start to appear as you begin bookmarking or saving your own formulas from the calculator or from the library. You'll typically see a PDF snapshot in this space of your formula, unless you already go in and add an image. And in that case, yours will look just like mine. This section will bring you to all of your saved documents from every tool that saves a document. This is a page you've seen before, and it will start to become very familiar. So if you're looking for any of your previous work and you want to find a specific record, you can click through here and it opens a page with a variety of filters so you can begin to look for what you need. This box is the same location as the link at the top of the menu of My Formulas and Records. To the right, you can open any formula that you've already bookmarked. So if you're collecting formulas from the library to work on, you'll find the most recent ones here. And just like in the previous Saved Formulas page, you can filter easily and find the library recipe that you are looking for. Your full bookmarked page is also found in the tabs at the top of the dashboard.